ब्लाइंडली आप मेन्यू में से कुछ भी उठा लो, आपको अच्छा ही लगेगा।
अच्छा लगेगा 100%.
So going to be doing comedy nights. So I think September we are doing Harsh Gujral over here.
And we are traveling some place very far.
Very far, very. Well, hello and welcome back. And we hope you all are doing well. और आज हम लोग आए हैं एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी पे. एक्चुअली ये जगह हम लोगों को पहले से पता है, बट इन्होंने शिफ्ट किया है. आज उनका ओपनिंग भी है, सो वी आर कवरिंग दैट प्लेस टुडे.
यस, एंड एज विकी सेड के ये पहले बहुत ही पॉपुलर जगह है पुणे की, एंड सैडली आफ्टर द लॉकडाउन उनको वो वाला ब्रांच उन्होंने शट डाउन कर दिया. बट नाउ दे रीलोकेटेड इनटू अ मच बेटर लोकेशन एंड अ बिगर लोकेशन. हम आए हैं बालेवाड़ी हाई स्ट्रीट में. तो पुणे के जो भी देख रहे हैं उनको तो ये जगह पता ही है, वन ऑफ द हॉट स्पॉट. एंड imagine being in Balewadi High Street and having a option to charge your car off. So that is a plus point for this place for us EV owners for now. Yes. And the food and all and the ambience and everything is gonna be amazing for sure. हम भी पहली बार जा रहे हैं तो ज्यादा बोल नहीं सकते इसके बारे में, तो हम भी देखते हैं, आपको भी दिखाते हैं.
As we said, आज इनका ओपनिंग है. So before we head to that place, very important announcement. We are actually planning for a trip जो कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता, जो हम लोग वो ट्रिप प्लान कर रहे हैं.
हम लोग बेसिकली इसके बारे में बहुत दिनों से प्लान कर रहे हैं और ये पोस्टपोन हो जा रहा है. तो होपफुली जब तक आप ये वीडियो देखोगे हम हमारे ट्रिप के लिए निकल चुके होंगे और आपको उसके बाद के वीडियोस वो ट्रिप के दिखने शुरू हो जाएंगे. बट विश अस लक यार. मतलब दिस विल बी समथिंग. I guess we'll be the only people in the world who would have done this. अगर हम सक्सेसफुली ये पूरा ट्रिप कंप्लीट कर पाए. हो सकता है हम नहीं भी कर सके, हाफ में हमको रुकना पड़ जाए, बट अगर हो गया तो we'll be the first EV owners in the world to do this for sure.
So हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं बेसिकली ये ट्रिप कंप्लीट करने का. For this we need support from you guys. कुछ अलग ही होने वाला है इसमें. So
प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी बोलिए चैनल पे आए और हम अपना प्यार दें.
कि हम लोग जो ये ट्रिप प्लान कर रहे हैं ना, जैसा सुकी ने बोला कि बहुत बार कैंसिल हो चुका है, बहुत बार पोस्टपोन हो चुका है, क्योंकि ये ट्रिप इतना ज्यादा हम बोल सकते हैं डेलिकेट है एक्चुअली ईवी के हिसाब से. प्लीज सपोर्ट. सो विल गो चेक आउट दिस प्लेस.
लेट्स गो.
Alright, so we have ordered mocktails actually. So as you know, we don't drink alcohol, so we have ordered mocktails. So I am drinking this Right Field, which has some vinegar and lemon juice in it.
And I'm having this something called a Sea Pang. And ज़्यादा experimental नहीं है, इसमें watermelon and apple and orange juice का mixture है. So should be quite refreshing.
Yeah.
Let's taste it.
Let's try. Cheers. Wow, बहुत ही ज़्यादा strong. I can feel the vinegar actually, but it's sweet. vinegar के जैसा कड़वा नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. It's sweet. और ये लोगों ने कुछ फ्लावर वगैरह कुछ तो भी डाला है.
वो एक्चुअली पार्ट ऑफ द ड्रिंक.
पार्ट ऑफ द ड्रिंक, या
उसका कॉर्डियल उन्होंने यूज किया.
So the taste is very different from all the mocktails which we usually drink. So yeah, this is actually very good.
And if you don't feel like being experimental, you can go with the regular. It's very nice and refreshing. Mint भी है इसमें, तो you can try it out. अगर थोड़ा सा आपको कुछ ट्राई करना है एडवेंचरस, तो आप ये भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं.
Right. Alright, so the first dish we are trying Kung Pao potato wedges. So देखने में तो अच्छा लग रहा है. Let's see. Her taste is actually very good. Crispy है थोड़ा सा.
Lots of cashews and chilies around it, but इतना spicy नहीं है. like the touch of papad is very good.
Yeah. So the next dish is veg section.
उसके पहले हमने लोकेशन चेंज किया क्योंकि अंदर वाले सेक्शन में लाइट्स बहुत अच्छे
लाइट अच्छे है, yes.
तो आपके लिए थोड़ा बेटर व्यू है.
बट ये है क्या?
तो दिस इज आई हैव टू रेफर टू द वेन्यू. दिस इज ट्रफल एंड स्मोक्ड एडेमामे डिम्सम. तो डिम्सम्स आर काइंड ऑफ अ स्पेशलिटी ऑफ दिस प्लेस. बहुत कुछ स्पेशल है यहाँ पे वैसे तो. The dimsums are like, you know, which they wanted us to try specifically. The dimsums are the
best out here.
Best out here. So for all the veggies and dim sum fans, आपको तो यहाँ पे आकर try करना पड़ेगा ही. Let's see.
Let's see. Wow, इतना soft है.
Yeah. I'm trying with the dip. Like melt in the mouth types, like, you know.
Actually, वो ऐसे डालते ही लग गया कि आपने कुछ स्पॉन्ज डाल दिया अंदर या.
Yeah.
Very very soft है. डालते ही वो vanish हो गया actually मुंह में.
We'll be talking to the chef after this.
Yeah.
So to ask him like what's the secret there, like, you know, so what all he served us and what is the specialty and like, you know, what all his menu is about basically.
So the review which we are giving, it's all actual reviews. We are not just giving you fake reviews basically.
And it's not sponsored.
Sponsored, yeah.
We're paying our bills also.
Yeah. Let's try some another dishes.
Okay, तो जैसे हमने आपको बोला था हमारे साथ में अभी हैं जुगल. So Jugal, firstly, we really enjoyed everything that you served us. So he had come up with something special for us again. So Jugal, please explain what is this you're serving?
See, today whatever he had served and all this, apart from these two are this, I guess so every crowd of the Pune need to try this, because in terms of, if you're going to say organic terms and all that, we have a purple rice that it is infused with the tom, which is something very unique. People should try, you know.
Wow.
And apart from, if you're going to say beans in a very vernal vegetable where you can get it everywhere, but this bean itself is assorted with a yellow bean which has been infused again with a smoked shiitake.
Oh.
So as compared, if you're going to balance a purple rice with this or some another long bean rice, what we have in the menu, this, like, you know, a mouth melting. The people who are more into an Asian palate, they're going to enjoy this.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
So this is 4 season string beans with tom yum rice. Chef ने आपको explain तो कर दिया है कि what is unique about this dish and how is this made, and why you guys should try it out. तो हम लोग भी अभी टेस्ट करके बताते हैं कि why you guys should try it out.
Let's try it out. It's pretty unique.
Yeah.
Not just like a normal rice जो आपको मिलता है. And the taste is also very different. What do you think?
I guess they've used the brown rice.
Not sure brown rice.
But yeah, as Vicky said, not that intense on the palate, but बीच में अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे वो रेड चिली जाती है ना, वो किक जरूर देती है आपको.
देती है, yes.
उसको बाइट करोगे तो पसीना छूटना ही है आपका.
So we are trying these beans now. Wow. So today's food is totally different from all the episodes which we have made on food vlogs actually.
Yeah, I would say Vicky, very healthy.
Very healthy, yeah. Actually,
yeah,
it
very
seems
healthy,
very healthy
and very unique.
Yeah.
As we said so many times in the episode.
So yeah, this is actually थोड़ा सा healthy side. So if you are into all these things, so you can try this. But
and very good veg options. Huh?
Yeah, actually the food is totally different from all the restaurants and everything. It's actually very good.
You have to try it.
Have to, yeah. Alright, so the first dish in non-veg, we are trying chicken wings.
It's a Sichuan spiced chicken wings, specialty of this place. So let's see how it is. I hope ज़्यादा spicy ना हो.
Spicy नहीं होना चाहिए. Yes. The main problem about this chicken wings, we
हाथ यूज़ करना पड़ेगा.
हाथ यूज़ करना पड़ता है because it's a bone. So टेस्ट इज वेरी नाइस. स्पाइसी तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
या बस स्पाइस चिकन विंग्स के हिसाब से उतना स्पाइसी नहीं है.
बिल्कुल नहीं है. टेस्ट एक्चुअली अच्छा है. बाकी चिकन विंग्स चू ही नहीं रहते उतने, बट दिस इज एक्चुअली वेरी गुड. इवन द टेस्ट इज डिफरेंट.
Also juicy.
Yeah.
Like the sauces have gone into the like
Proper,
soaked
yeah.
into it. Yeah.
Yeah. This is good.
Next up, crispy fried squids. So the seafood out here is also something to die for. ऐसा हमने सुना है.
सुना है. Yes.
So let's try the squid.
So this is one kind of fish. Wow.
Very crispy.
Very,
as the
very
name
crispy.
goes, very crispy.
Very crispy. Yeah.
Yeah.
ये ना टेस्ट एक्चुअली हमने कभी खाया नहीं एक्चुअली ये.
Yeah.
Bit different from all the fishes we have tried.
कोई फिशेस का थोड़ा सा आफ्टर टेस्ट होता है. इसमें very
है ही नहीं एक्चुअली.
yeah neutral. Yeah.
बहुत न्यूट्रल है.
Loving the taste of it.
Yeah. Actually very good. Yeah. So we actually don't eat prawns. We are allergic to prawns. But वीडियो के लिए एक्चुअली ये आया था. यहाँ का बहुत फेमस है. तो सुकी इज जस्ट ट्राइंग इट फॉर यू गाइस.
It's a prawn dim sum, curry prawn dim sum. आपने वीडियो तो देख लिया होगा इसका B-roll अभी. And I'll have to tell you the place is run by one of the best chefs in the city.
In the city, yeah.
और जब वो बोले कि आपको ये ट्राई करना चाहिए तो हमें ट्राई करना चाहिए. तो इसके लिए एटलीस्ट एक पीस तो मैं ट्राई कर ही सकता हूँ. देखिए श्योर.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm not gonna have it. दिख तो टेस्टी रहा है बट वी आर एलर्जिक सो.
रियली 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 गुड. लाइक यू नो कुछ प्रॉन्स का एक थोड़ा सा आफ्टर टेस्ट होता है जो लाइक यू नो आई फाइंड इट इरिटेटिंग पर्सनली. बट दिस इज लाइक वेरी वेरी स्मूथ एंड नॉट टू chewy at all. Literally like dim sum होना चाहिए. Like it dissolves in the mouth. And like the gravy, like you know, the curry is also थोड़ा Thai curry वगैरह type है. Even that is, in fact, we should try the gravy.
Yeah, I can try the gravy. Yeah.
Fried noodles भी है, उसके साथ में try.
The curry actually tastes like Thai curry.
So Jay is here. So what curry is this? Like is it like a Thai curry or what?
This is a laksa curry.
It's a lasa curry,
Lasa
so Malaysian curry. Yeah.
Malaysian laksa curry.
Wow.
So we're trying to make this look like a fish, like a fish bed. Kind
Okay.
of feel, see kind of a feel. So
Yeah,
it's like a
yeah.
complete presentation.
Nice.
Nice. So now we are trying stirred fried chicken.
Another specialty of the place. So
Let's try it out. Wow. So this chicken is like थोड़ा सा ग्रेवी वगैरह है इसमें. इट्स वेरी जूसी. और जो इसका टेस्ट है इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी नाइस, वेरी मिनिमल. इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी गुड.
very pleasant actually.
Yeah.
Very pleasant. And food out here, like from what all we've tried till now, like one of the best bar bites in
Yeah,
the
yeah,
city.
100%.
Yeah.
So if you come, do check all these dishes which we are showing.
I think blindly आप मेन्यू में से कुछ भी उठा लो आपको अच्छा ही लगेगा.
अच्छा लगेगा 100%. Alright, so now we are actually meeting up with the property owner.
Yes. So we have Jay with us, and he'll tell you more about the property. So Jay, tell us about the concept of this place and like you know how you came up with this. I know the earlier one was very popular,
Right.
but I noticed that the menu is like totally different and
Right.
everything. So can you
Right.
just run us through?
So when we decided, for our company in Venue, so it's about a 30-year-old company. Baker's Basket is our brand. So we have about 16-17 outlets all around Pune. You can check us out online as well. We do an online delivery where you get good deals. Upsa Daisy, Incognito, Polka Dots. If you've been around our area, you know about that brand as well. So we've been in the restaurant business for quite some time. So it was my idea that let's do a bar. So when we decided to do Wine Bar in Ishania Mall, that was actually more out of overconfidence that we decided to do over there, thinking that we'll make it work while Ishania didn't work for quite some time. So we decided to start a generic bar over there. It didn't really have a character as such. It was a generic bar. It was a good bar, but you didn't know what to expect when you come there, apart from just being a bar, you know, with food. And we were doing like a world cuisine over there. So because of lockdown, we did well. We won't lie, but we had to run it more like a club than run it as like a bar or a gastropub. Gastropubs are more where it's about the food and the craft cocktails both at the same time. It's not only about the drinks, or it's not only about the food. So we wanted to do a gastropub. So when COVID came, we were sure that we don't want to start there. And when we decided to do Balewadi came up, we really contemplated and we decided, you know, that let's go with a complete new look, new personality. Let's go completely Asian, because when you come to Balewadi, this is where the old Playboy location was. Incognito has also moved here, which is also our brand, and that has a world cuisine, so we didn't want it to clash. So we decided, let's change up the place. So we made the feel completely Asian. We've gone with a completely Asian menu, but we are not doing very mainland China kind of food. We've gone completely Asian. We're doing like tom yum, black rice, and we're doing different things where we are hoping that there would be a market for it, and people who actually like it would like it, because these kind of flavors you only get in Thailand or you get in Indonesia or Asian countries. So we're trying to do a actual gastropub where it's not been done in Pune as such. Like there are bars, there are restaurants. There are no gastropubs in Pune according to me. So we are trying to do that. Let's see how it goes. And if it doesn't, then we'll see what is to be done. But we are hoping it works.
It is going to work, because the flavors and what you're introducing is something very unique.
Right.
Not just Balewadi, in Pune in general.
Right.
I would say.
Absolutely.
And another thing is, like many of our viewers ask, अगर वो लोग हमारा नाम लेके आएंगे तो डिस्काउंट मिलेगा?
Of course. So if you take Rocky Mayur or Suki and Vicky's name, who are like the top DJs in Pune, I mean, like somebody I met today also told me, oh, these are the guys who played at my wedding, you know. That was one thing they remember me. I said, yeah, of course, they played in everybody's wedding, like they're really good. So of course, but if you take their names and all that, definitely they're like brothers. So whatever you want, it's not on the house, but we'll do something.
So the main point, what about the charging? Like if someone gets the EV, so what about the charging thing?
So if you park next to our outlets, so we have Upsa Daisy also, where it's right in front of the parking, and Incognito and Iron Bar, we will help you with that. We'll do something about your EV parking.
That's great. Cool.
My number is 8390674727. You all can call me anytime. We're also going to be doing comedy nights. So I think September we are doing Harsh Gujral over here.
Oh, wow.
We'll keep you updated. But please follow us on Instagram and Facebook to know what the dates are.
So we'll leave all the things in description. You can get in touch with Jay. I'll give you the number. He's already given the number to you.
Yeah.
Right.
We'll give you the number and you can call up Jay anytime, and he's like a brother to me. So whenever, whatever, आप मेरा नाम लेके phone कर लेना उनको.
Alright, so we are done with all our food and everything, and it was super amazing. It is pretty unique from all the restaurants we have tried till now.
Yeah, we didn't really come here expecting the menu that we got, and जो tasting हमने किया है, that is like literally something different that we've tried in the last few weeks, or probably like पुणे में हम इतने टाइम से ऐसा menu हमने we have not come across till now. So we'll seriously would recommend you guys कि अगर आपके पास आप ये weekend में कहीं जा रहे हो तो please come to Iron Bar and check the place out.
Yeah, so it's a kind of a party place. You can come here with your friends and everyone. You can party here, and the food is totally next level. We are not just for saying, but yeah.
I'm sure even the bar menu is also as amazing as the food, and as he said कि he'll be up for giving you some good offers अगर आप हमारा नाम लेके वहाँ पे जाते हो तो do try it out.
And also the main thing, we forgot the charging point. They'll help you with the charging point if you have a EV.
तो अगर EV है तो आप उनको कॉल करके जाइए, हम नंबर दे देंगे. Wherever you go, Friday आपने विक्की का एपिसोड देखा होगा जहाँ पे उसको अहमदनगर में प्रॉब्लम हुआ था. So wherever you go, do confirm that if the point is available or working or not. क्योंकि आप इतना लॉन्ग ट्रिप अगर कहीं पे करते हो, ये तो चलो सिटी के अंदर ही और आपके पास बहुत ऑप्शंस होंगे, बट अगर कहीं भी लॉन्ग ट्रिप करते हो, डू कंफर्म इफ द चार्जिंग पॉइंट इज वर्किंग और नॉट.
सो दैट्स इट. I guess we'll see you in the next vlog. But before that, please do subscribe and do share this vlog.
And we are traveling some place very far.
Very far, very far.
Guess in the comment.
Yeah, please tell us
अगर
in the comment.
आप लोगों को पता है कि नहीं कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग.
So we'll see you in the next vlog.
Bye.
Till then.